Learning objectives. After studying this learning module, you will be able to state the meaning of planning, describe the features and importance of planning, analyze the steps in the planning process, and identify the different types of plans. Concept of planning. What are you observing here? Yes, the man is totally confused which path he wants to prefer to reach his destination. What can help him out here? A road map or good guide can take him to destination. This may happen to us also. Sometimes, in our daily life, we may also get confused regarding our future actions. In such situations, what will serve as a roadmap for us? Planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about it now. Yes, if our future actions are well planned, it will guide us and will act us as a roadmap where there is confusion. Planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. Before doing something, the manager must formulate an idea of how to work on a particular task. Thus, planning is closely connected with creativity and innovation. Importance of planning. As we have seen, planning serves as a roadmap to reach the destination or the ultimate objectives. Here, we can discuss its importance specific to the business. Planning provides directions. Planning provides proper direction to the management. It ensures that the goals or objectives are clearly stated so that they act as a guide for deciding what action should be taken and in which direction. Reduces risk and uncertainty. Risk in business cannot be avoided but can be minimized through proper planning. By deciding in advance the tasks to be performed, planning shows the way to deal with changes and uncertain events that will reduce the possible risks in future. Reduces the overlapping and wasteful activities. Since planning ensures clarity in thought and action, work is carried on smoothly without interruptions. Useless and redundant activities are minimized or eliminated. Promotes innovation. Since planning is the first function of management, new ideas can take the shape of concrete plans. It introduces new concepts and ideas into the business. Decision making. Planning sets the platform for future actions. Hence, the management can rely on these platforms and take the proper and timely decisions. Steps in planning. Planning is a systematic process where it passes through different phases and is discussed below. Setting objectives. In this phase, the planner must specify what the organization wants to achieve. Developing premises. Planner is required to make certain assumptions about the future. These assumptions are called premises and serves as the base material upon which plans are to be drawn. Identifying the alternative course of action. Once the objectives or premises are set, there may be many ways to act and achieve objectives. These different options are called alternatives. Analyzing the alternatives. Once the alternatives are identified, then the positive and negative aspects of each proposal need to be evaluated in the light of the objective to be achieved. Selecting an alternative. Here the best plan has to be adopted and implemented. The ideal plan would be the most feasible, profitable, and with least negative consequences. Implementation and follow-up. The step is concerned with putting the plan into action, that is, doing what is required. Then, after the implementation, the plan should be monitored to get the desired result. Types of plans. Based on the term of use, plans can be of single use or standing plans. The important types among them are discussed below. Objectives. Objectives can be said to be the desired future position and the goals that the management would like to reach. Strategy. Strategy is a comprehensive plan for accomplishing organization objectives. This comprehensive plan will include determining long-term objectives, adopting a particular course of action, and allocating resources. Policies. Policies are general guidelines and provide a basis of interpreting strategy, which is usually stated in general terms. Procedure. Procedure are routine steps on how to carry out activities. They detail the exact manner in which any work is to be performed. Method. Methods provide the ways in which a task has to be performed. Budget. A budget is the numerical expression of the expectations and the ways in which it wants to achieve the desired goals. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt in this module. Planning is interrelated to creativity and innovation, and it should be decided in advance what to do and how to do. Risk in business cannot be avoided, but can be minimized through proper planning. Benefits of planning: provides right directions to actions, reduces risks of uncertainty, minimizes overlapping and wasteful activities, promotes innovative ideas, sets the platform for future actions, facilitates decision-making and establishes standards for controlling. Features of planning. Planning focuses on achieving objectives. It is a primary function of management. Planning is pervasive, continuous, futuristic, and involves decision-making. It is a mental exercise. Planning process setting objectives may be set for the entire organization and each department or unit within the organization. Developing premises. Identifying alternative courses of action. Selecting an alternative. Implement the plan. Follow-up action. Strategy is a comprehensive plan for accomplishing organizational objectives. This comprehensive plan will include determining long-term objectives, adopting a particular course of action, and allocating resources.